my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are looking for work from home jobs in the healthcare field, so that is what I am sharing today. But of course, if you have anything specific that you're looking for, leave that in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And the links to all the pages that I share are in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company NetSmart. Now, they have 562 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a healthcare credentialing specialist. This is a full-time position and it is remote for the United States only. They are basically looking for somebody to be responsible for the credentialing or re-credentialing process for their medical providers for their NetSmart clients. You'll complete provider credentialing applications, monitor those applications, and follow up with any actions that is needed to get those applications processed. Now, for credentialing providers, when you have like a hospital or a big medical system, they have a bunch of doctors, providers, maybe a hospital is a teaching hospital, they have residents and stuff there, nurses, all of that kind of staff. But to be able to bill those doctors on a medical claim to insurance companies, each insurance company requires that the provider be credentialed and enrolled in their insurance plan. So credentialing is like making sure that the insurance company has their licensing information, they're up to date, all of their up-to-date medical board certifications, and all of that paperwork. And doctors are not credentialed for life. They have to keep resubmitting their information because medical licenses are something you have to just keep up to date. So you will be required to maintain copy of the current state licenses, DEA certifications, malpractice coverage. Doctors are required to have insurance and other required documents for these healthcare providers. You'll track the provider license certification and professional liability expiration dates to make sure that when it's time for them to renew, their new application gets submitted. You'll audit and update practice addresses with the health plans or insurance companies and any other agencies and entities that are needed. So most of this is going to be non-phone paperwork, administrative processing documents. However, you may have to pick up the phone sometimes and make an outbound phone call to check on an application. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. Of course, a bachelor degree is always preferred, but the only requirement is a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent work experience. So if you have that work experience, you don't even need any kind of a degree at all. They're looking for somebody who has 3 years of hospital or medical office experience, including credentialing, and of course, somebody who can work those Microsoft Office systems like Excel, Word, and Outlook. Unfortunately, pay for this position was not listed in the job description and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Just a little disclaimer, I just share the job opportunities that I find online. I don't work for any of these companies, and unfortunately, I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments, and if you have any suggestions on how I could make these job leads more helpful to you, please leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.